Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to check search history on TikTok and how to launch the TikTok application. And on there, you're going to tap on the search icon indicates that you did search for any search you can see mine are here. If I want to delete them, all I would do is tap on the X that is scanned and it's going to be deleted. I'm going to tap on the back and then I am going to tap on profile. Then I'm going to tap on the three lines and then I'm going to tap on settings and privacy. This is going to be an alternative upon where you're going to see your searches now. And then I'm going to tap on activity center and then I'm going to tap on search history. And here's where I'm going to see all my searches from the month and date that I decided to search on those searches. And if I wanted to delete, if I just tap on the select, when to tap on the search, and let's say those two, and then when to tap on delete. Once I tap on delete, it's going to be deleted. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.